Here I use some 3M structural adhesive and some 3M flexible foam to reinstall this one corner support piece for this frame rail. Here's the contraption I came up with to keep everything pushed in to the corner nice and tight. Looks to be working pretty good. Got a couple self tappers over here, a couple vice grips, ratchet strap and a board pushing this top piece back in place. A little bit of panel bond where I don't have any spot welds just to help hold this thing nice and tight. Got my porta power and a bottle jack holding this in. Should be nice and good once it's all welded in along with the panel bond.